What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your Ford Explorer started if your key fob dies, whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your remote key fob. I'm going to show you how you can still get your car started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2020 Ford Explorer here, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob here to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message saying no key detected. So what we need to do is open the center console. I'm going to remove that tray. And if we look down in the center console, we're going to see this pocket right here. And that's where we want to place the key fob. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there like that. And now if we come over here, we should be able to start it as normal. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.